Hello, and welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, including top curriculum choices, free curriculum options, best online curriculum, and resources for every subject. So, welcome back. Thank you for joining us on today. We are back with another great homeschooling resource. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. If you want to learn how to access and use today's curriculum, definitely watch this video in its entirety. I will give you all the ins and outs of this free curriculum. So today's free curriculum is CK-12. So CK-12 is a free online curriculum available for all subject areas. If you go to their website and you click on subject there, you will see all their available options. They do have math available, science, English, social studies, also more subject areas there. They have college level courses as well and some adult education courses. So this is a great resource. Today's video will focus on their science courses. Definitely check out our playlist here at our YouTube channel for other videos exploring this curriculum and other curriculum as well. All right, so when you go to their website here, you will click on the science option of your choice. Let's explore the elementary first. So when you click on the elementary subject there of science, you choose the grade level that you're wanting to focus on with your children. Let's say we want to look at the fourth grade there. So we click on the fourth grade guidebook there, and it will pop up the full online curriculum and textbook for science. So within the fourth grade, you have physical science, earth science, and life science within the science book. When you click on the drop down menu, it will give you the details of what's in that particular unit. So here is what students will learn about in physical science. Here's what they will learn about in earth science. This is in fourth grade. And here's what they will learn about in life science. So when you click on the drop down there, you can click on the lesson of your choice where you want to begin. It does have this little interactive little AI guy who helps you with different things on their website there. We don't need him right now, so we're going to X out of him. And then you will pull up your lesson. So you will have the lesson objectives, you have lesson vocabulary, you have an introduction there, and it gives you full text information along with images to explain the topic. Lots of diagrams. There are also some embedded videos in the curriculum as well. Lots of diagrams here, embedded videos, also assignments. So this is a great resource if you're looking for science curriculum as well as math. So as you can see, there's a lesson summary here. There are some review questions there to be able to think about those concepts in more detail. And then you progress onto your next lesson. So you can do one lesson per day, right? You can actually spread these lessons over a week's time if you feel like this is too much information to cover in one day. So definitely take a peek at this curriculum. This is a great option, like I said, with lots of diagrams. They also have simulations for science. So if you take a peek at their website here, when you go to their homepage and you scroll down, you will find that they also have simulations for physics and chemistry. So let's click there so I can show you the simulations there. So these are real world examples that show us how science apply in our world. So science is a real thing. So when you go to these simulations, you can click on any of these. It will pop up with a video. So here's an airbag simulation. That's a great one there because we do have airbags in all of our vehicles nowadays. So here is a great simulation shows you how airbags actually work and how they deploy. So great option there. So you can definitely watch this video, see how it works there. They also have worksheets to go with the simulations. So on the simulation there, you will click on worksheet here, this little arrow there. It will bring you to a pop-up that explains the learning goals, key concepts, background information of the video, as well as simulation overview there if you want to explain more to your children. And then if you keep scrolling there's lots of information there. You will have some real world connections here to go along with that simulation. So more real world connections. And then also a study guide, exploration questions. So lots of information here that you can actually definitely go through this entire curriculum with your children and definitely cover lots of concepts and make it in a very real life applicable way. So definitely a very awesome curriculum here. So here is the chemistry simulations here. There are lots of them. All of them come with the worksheets and the videos. And then if you go to physics, there are also some physics there of the same idea with the simulations and the worksheets. So it tells you the exact concepts that are being taught in the simulation. And so even if you're using a totally different curriculum that you're teaching with physics, this would be a great addition to get some video concepts, some visual concepts of these particular skills in science. So if you're doing a totally different chemistry or physics curriculum, these videos would be great to access along with the worksheet to help review or really hone in on those skills and concepts. So definitely take a look at this. This is CK-12.org. Lots of information here. Oh, look at all these simulations for physics. So some of these can be hard to understand concepts like kinetic energy, energy problem solving, conservation. So definitely, oh, trampoline there. So definitely look at this website. This is a great option if you're looking for, like I said, full curriculum or even just these videos and simulations here. This would be a great option to add on to your current curriculum. So lots of simulations here to show these concepts in our world around us. So definitely take a peek here at CK-12. This is just their science series. They have lots and lots of options available here. Remember, if you go to their website, you will click on subject. You can also just scroll down on their homepage there to access all their subject areas there. Remember, they do have lots of science options available. Let's look at their advanced biology here. So this would be more for a high schooler. So remember, this is grades kindergarten through 12. They have all grade levels available for all subject areas there. Remember, it pulls up your entire textbook here online. You can see all the overarching themes there. You click on, and you start from the beginning or click on the one you want to focus on for that particular day. And then you go from there. When you click on the particular overarching theme, you will pop up all the individual lessons there in subheadings for that particular lesson there. Remember, they do have the little Flexi there who helps us out there, but we don't need him right now, so we will X out of him. And then you begin your lessons. So this is great. The graphics are great as well. The diagrams are great as well. Lots of vocabulary there that is clearly explained. Lots of examples here. So definitely head on over if you are in need of a science curriculum that is totally for free with lots of examples, simulations, summaries, and review questions. Definitely head on over to ck.org. If this is not quite what you're looking for, that is totally fine. There are so many options out there that are available. Definitely head to our playlist right here on this YouTube channel where you can find other science options as well. There is also a free guide at Homeschool Reading Resources with a list of science options and curriculum options and availability there. Definitely head on over to grab that free guide that gives you a list of websites, curriculum, and other information for science curriculum when it comes to homeschooling. There's also another site that you can grab quick science units from, homeschoolsciencecurriculum.org, myhomeschoolsciencecurriculum.com for these particular science units. So these are quick units you can do to review a unit, introduce a unit. There are over 30 different topics available. So definitely head on over to myhomeschoolsciencecurriculum.com where you can choose these customizable units to do with your children if you want to reinforce or introduce or even teach a full entire unit. So remember to share this video with other homeschooling families so they have this information also. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Check out the description box. There are so many links in there. And remember, happy homeschooling.